See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Hello, you are welcome to this class. I believe you must have heard the news say Senegal stripped of the Africa Cup of Nations. Say the CAF final match between Senegal and Morocco. Say because of wetin happen for pitch, they don strip Senegal their victory. They say na Morocco come win the match. For this class, gonna see everything from how they made the decision to wetin Senegal say they go do and the possibility of victory for Senegal if they appeal this case. Because as you can see, Senegal thought say they no go give up. Oh, they said we will not back down. Senegal about to appeal after Africa Cup of Nations title stripped. Okay, we will see how this matter take start. Now AFCON 2025 final match wey they play for Morocco. And when they play na January 18th, 2026, wetin happen? Tight game between Senegal and Morocco because it was very tight. Key controversy. When they play the match, now so they call award penalty to Morocco. And this penalty, they controversial. Now so the players protested to say, this one na ojoro. Now so they waka comot from field. Say they know they play. Now so they call the beg, come back. They were off the pitch for about 10 to 15 minutes. Next intervention. Now so officials and some players, including Sadio Mane, their captain, come step in, come beg them. Now so they call return back to field. Now in match resume, Morocco book na play on a penalty. Now so they miss am. They can't give them extra time. May they play. Now so Senegal score, they can't win the match by 1-0. Now so celebration start, then they happy, then they jubilate. As you can see, they can't give them the trophy. And the trophy be this. As you can see, they can't jubilate, they're happy. Went back to Senegal. They celebrate. So while they were snapping picture, they happy, they jubilate. Moroccans, they cry, they mourn. They say, no. Wetin come happen? After the match, CAF called the walk off unacceptable. Say, why una waka comot from field? They come open disciplinary case against Senegal. They come find them, ban them in form of discipline. At the end of the day, they still agree say, na Senegal win the match. Okay? Now, before we continue, we will see what the football rules talk. Football rule principle. Game must not be interrupted by players. Teams must follow referee decisions. Okay? According to CAF rule, Article 82 and 84, simple meaning. If a team refuses to play or delays the match, it can be seen as abandoning the game. So, if una waka comot from field or una delay to play, the fit interpreter say you abandon the game. Now they call Article 82 and 84 of CAF rules. Okay? For fifth rule, if a team is just to have abandoned a match, say, we don't calculate your behavior, now abandonment, they go give the opponent 3 scores, 3 goals without playing it. They go dash them, they go award them 3 goals. They go give you when you misbehave 0. Me say now your opponent now you win, so irrespective of what happen. Key issue here was Senegal's walk off just a short protest, or was it a real refusal to continue the match? Now it be the main thing now, the key issue. Okay, we will see why CAF could decide to change the result. Morocco could appeal again, say, those discipline when they give them, it's not enough. The fan is not enough. Now CAF appeal board could review the case again, say, we sit down. Morocco is saying, see, if person waka come out from field or delay match, Una know una article now where it talk say they go award us 3 and give them 0. Why una no apply am? Then they come sit down, come review the case. Their conclusion. After they come look at the matter, CAF appeal board come talk say, na true, Senegal broke rules when they waka comot from the pitch. Okay? Legal interpretation. Walk off is equal to serious destruction of match. Say, if you walk off from the pitch, you disrupted the match. Final action. They treated the match as forfeited. Say, una forfeit the match. Una waka comot from the pitch. Result change. Now, so they call award Morocco 3 gave Senegal 0. Now waka comot. Before na waka comot, remember say na 0-0 the day. So anything will happen after una come back, they no cut am. From the article, na 3-0. Morocco 3, Senegal 0. And so they declared Morocco as the true champion of AFCON 2025. We go see the argument where support CAF decision. Rule enforcement. Players cannot decide when to play or when to stop playing. Authority of referee. They talk say, even though say referee, they wrong, they must respect his decision. Okay? Dangerous precedents. They talk say, if they allow this type of behavior, other teams from now on, they're going to protest the waka comot from pitch. Match integrity. They say the integrity of football, the flow, must be protected. Make people know abuser like Senegal. Time factor. They say 10 to 15 minutes was too much. Nobody now go decide when to play and not when to play. Argument against CAF. Why people disagree? When people they talk against CAF now, match was completed. They say the game continued though after the protest. The referee, where you know the rules, the CAF articles allowed the match to continue. They say the full result, the 1-0, was achieved on the pitch, inside the field, not be inside office. You go decide the winner. No permanent abandonment. They say Senegal, they return. He said they no return. Okay, your decision of 3-0 for stand, but they returned and played, finished the match and won. Okay? They say title can't change after the tournament. Don't head seen as unfair to players and fans. They say this decision is unfair to players and fans. They say stripping the title must later lose the emotional integrity of the sport. No, we don't do like that. After people don't go sleep, celebrate. More 2, more 2, more 3. You say no be the win again. Say it ruined the emotional integrity of football game. Perception issue. Critics argue that because Morocco was the host and the beneficiary, they suspect say na political decision or financial influence. You get the point now. Now, for internet, they say if this decision stands, they say Morocco na Aladdin of AFCON 2025. They say na so Aladdin they win. See how?
His own Olympic Games.
On your mark. Get set.
At which he won 14 gold medals. Often described as
And the Moroccans, they resemble Aladdin. You don't say so. All these pictures, Senegals, not the reposter for online will say, we're gonna go collect now. Now go feel repeat these celebrations. Now go feel call back the time. Celebrate with medals and trophy like this again. You get the point now. Anyway, what next? Senegal positioning. They call the decision unfair and unacceptable. Says it damages Africa football. Legal action. Senegal thought say they go appeal this matter for Court of Arbitration for Sport, CAS. The goal of this appeal is to restore their 1-0 victory. You get the point now. Legal argument. What did they argue? Match never officially stopped. Referee no stop am. You get the point now. Referee allow the game to continue. So final result should stand. That their position be this. Trophy situation. Senegal thought say they no go return am for now. They go wait for the final decision of CAS. Okay? Say until they say pata no be na. They no go return am. What do you think? Make me drop up a comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.